Good morning.
Good morning. This is our last day of hiking in Glacier National Park, and we are doing the GRINNELL Glacier hike. So you can do it one of two ways. One, you can just hike the entire thing, which ends up being like 11 miles.
Yeah, 11 point something miles.
However, we're paying to take the boat across 2 lakes, and it shaves off, I think, 3.4 miles, which really isn't that much, but we're doing it. We are trying to get on this 8:30 boat. We're waitlisted. We're number 4 on the 3 and 4 on the list. They are taking people with actual tickets right now and then calling wait lists. So we should be able to get on because they undersell the boat by 9 people. So anyway, we're just waiting for them to call our names.
Got on the 8:30 boat. Alright, so we are now here past the 2 lakes and ready to start our hike up to GRINNELL Glacier. I'm not sure if Melissa said it earlier this morning when we were at Manny Glacier Hotel, but today is our last hike here in Glacier. We've had a really nice time. We've done how many hikes now? Quite a few, at least 5. 5 or 6 hikes. We've done 2 hikes the first day, Avalanche and Hidden Lake. Then we did Pegan. Then we did Highline, Iceberg Lake, and now we're doing GRINNELL. I feel like I'm missing one. But yeah, Glacier is amazing. If you guys, want to check out a national park that's pretty remote and not that many people come to, yeah, definitely check out Glacier. All right, GRINNELL Glacier, 3.8 miles. The first part of the trail is a little bit steep, uphill, but not too bad. Cows are a little bit sore from the prior days, but not too bad. I think once we get up on top of this ridge that we're climbing up to, it should be pretty gradual up to the glacier. So Melissa is a very smart hiker. She knows her pace, she knows her stride, and she just keeps trucking along. And a lot of times she passes a lot of people who try to go faster, but they have to stop. Melissa does not stop. Hi. How do you think of this hike so far?
It's not bad. I mean, it's all uphill, but it's not terrible.
Good views.
Yeah.
Yep. You got the glaciers up there. That's called Salamander Glacier. I think GRINNELL Glacier is on the opposite side of this mountain thing. And then we got GRINNELL Lake down there. All right, guys. So we're about half a mile, maybe a little bit more, away from the glacier at the end of the trail. But that is GRINNELL Glacier behind me. All right. So Melissa was pointing out right there at the tip of my finger. That's where we were a few days ago at the Glacier Overlook Trail. We are almost there, but just want to give you guys a little tip, or I guess just some info. The last little bit before the last 0.4 miles. Here, Melissa, you tell them.
The last 0.4 miles is the hardest part of this trek, and I've read a lot of blogs, and I didn't see anybody say anything about that. The entire trek is uphill, but that last 0.4 is hard, but we're here.
It is 10:45, so that means we took about an hour 45 minutes to hike up from the second lake where you drop off, what's it called?
Josephine Lake.
Josephine Lake. So not too bad. Like Melissa said earlier, mostly uphill, but not too bad, except for that last little 0.4 mile section.
143 actually.
143. Melissa had it marked at 4.1 miles, and yeah, not too bad. So that's the glacier behind us. Yep, big rock. Yep. Nice. Found our way up a little bit closer to the glacier, and we found a little iceberg behind us, and that's where we will be having our lunch today.
You know the saying, that's just the tip of the iceberg? It comes from because the part of the iceberg you see is literally just the tip of it. This is a good depiction because you just see the tip of it, but can you see in the water, like the majority of it is beneath the water?
Yeah. What do you think of this spot?
It's perfection.
Okay, ready for some lunch?
Yeah.
Getting a little cold, and it just started drizzling a little bit, but it stopped, thankfully. But it is pretty cool.
It's gonna be off and on though.
Yeah, probably, like Melissa said, off and on throughout the day. There are multiple boats that go back to the Many Glacier Hotel. The first one headed back is at 1:45, and it's about almost 11:25, 11:30 right now. So we're just gonna walk around, take some more photos, and then head back down and hopefully catch the 1:45 boat. That way we can get back to our hotel and have a nice afternoon. But yeah, this hike is really, really, really nice. You know, it is an uphill climb. And with that, I think we're just gonna end the vlog here because we're literally just gonna walk back, take some more photos. So thanks for watching, and
That really concludes Glacier National Park.
so tomorrow we are gonna, Glacier National Park proper, we're gonna head up to Waterton
Lakes National Park, which is in Canada, just across the border. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days. I don't know if we'll be able to do anything, but a lady here recommended we hit up the Prince Wales Hotel.
Yeah, Prince of Wales
Prince
Hotel.
of Wales. You could have high tea there, which is one of the things I love doing. However, I don't know if they'll have anything gluten-free for me to have, but
Maybe.
we'll check it out. It's supposed to be a nice historic hotel.
Yeah.
So we'll end the vlog here.
All right,
Thanks
see you guys
for
next
watching,
time.
and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. That kind of helps us continue doing what we're doing, which is producing these helpful videos for you guys.
All right, bye.